In this video, you will learn step-by-step how to delete your YouTube channel via computer. We start by clicking on our channel icon in the upper right corner. Then we go to YouTube Studio. Find the Settings button in the lower left corner. Go to the Channel section. Then select Additional Settings. Scroll down and click the Remove YouTube Content button. Select the item whose I want to permanently delete my content. In the section that appears, agree to 2 points and click on the button Delete My Content. Here you need to enter the email address to which your YouTube channel is registered, and then click on the button Delete My Content. That's it, your YouTube channel has been deleted. If the video was useful, then be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching.